So guys, as you can see, we have a swimming pool. It's looking lovely. It's giving vacation vibes. Now let's go into the room, and that's you can see. Then I'll show you the rest of the room. We have 2 cabinets. Kama nimepanga. Kuna pasi. My snacks. Have my sugar burgers. Sijazipack because after all naweza tumia zikiwa hivyo and I still breathe. It's a good reason for being lazy. Yeah. So we have this. We have a fan, we have light, yeah, towel, this gorgeous looking massive bed. We have 1 socket here, yeah. Haikunifurahisha. It's working, yes, but haiko in a good condition. Yeah, but it's working. And that's pretty much everything in this room. I'll show you around. Just chillax. Opposite, we have this bathroom. We have the toilet. We have this mirror and a sink. Also the sink, not the best, but I can work with that. It's better. And it's spacious, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's very spacious. We have these toiletries. They are provided. We have a tissue provided, and that's pretty much everything. Like utamu wa hapa, when you're taking bath or singing in the shower, utajiona hapo hivi kwa kioo. It's amazing. have a fridge, we have we have this microwave, it's provided, matchboxes for the cooker. Yes, we have all these cabinets, plates, hizo ni vikombe, a pan, kuna unga if you want to cook. Oh. Yeah, so 3 cabinets over there. We have other utensils there. We have other utensils here. As you can see, if you want to cook for yourself. Hizo tulipata huku bado. So if you want to cook, it's just there. Yeah. So yeah, I hope the lighting is much better. So we also have this cabinets. Yeah, in a sink. What else? A big window. Then sikumbuki hii place venye inaitwa, what do we call it? I don't know. Sikumbuki. Hapa kuna tank ya maji. And we have a corridor. And you can take a shower here outside if you want. No, it's not a shower. It's just taps if you want to wash your clothes. Yeah. Neza anika hapo zikauke. And that is Mombasa in the morning. So beautiful. I just love this view. It's amazing. It's just amazing.